Okay, so we are going to figure out how to make these direct links into our Google Meet. So you can see we have them labeled here for our time slots as well as our colored small groups. So when the students click on these links, it takes them directly to the Google Meet they need to be at. So to start, you go to Course Admin and we go to Home Pages. We had the K133, Miss Wilson, Miss Stanley, and Miss Wigman. And then you click the arrow, you make a copy of it, and then you want to make this your active home screen or home page, sorry. So it's titled whatever you want it to be. You want to make sure the type is widget based, and then you can change your layout. So we have it set this way to ensure that the top part is always the same. It is our widget that doesn't change. The larger part in the middle is our announcements. We put the smaller one to be our birthday wishes, and we change that monthly. And then the large part at the bottom is for our activity feed. And here you can add your widgets, you can create new widgets, and you can rearrange them however you see fit. So save and close. So then you go to your widgets, and I had created a custom one called Birthday Wishes. You can really do whatever you want with that. You could have a direct link to assignments or whatever you're looking for, but this kind of fit our kindergarten well. So on the front, so then this widget would have been pretty much completely empty if I'm remembering correctly. You want to edit this widget. So we titled it our Google Meet link, and then under content is really where everything is. So we titled it and formatted it how we wanted to. We used the add a photo option to add our Bitmojis as well as the circles. And then all we did was simply hyperlink the videos with the direct link to our Google Classroom. So we highlight the picture you want, you click the link button, and then you scroll down to a URL, you would click that and paste the URL from your Google Meet. In terms of a tip when you're uploading the photo, when you upload the photo, we'll just upload this pattern one that our class used today. You click add. You want to make sure you check that this item is decorative. Otherwise, if you typed a text in here, that text is what would be the clickable link. So just hit OK, and then, oh, there it is. There's our patterns. So I will delete that. So yeah, you just add your photo in, hyperlink it, and that can work in your announcements if you want to there. We've done links before to, like when we went to the San Diego Zoo, I put a Bitmoji and linked it to the San Diego Zoo live feed so kids could click right through our announcement if they wanted to go check those out further. The only other thing when it comes to getting a link for your Google Meet, the problem is if you have a nickname, the URL changes every time you close a Meet and open a new one. The only way to get a maintaining URL that's the exact same every single time is simply to, you have to schedule a Meet. So that actually works out well for us in kindergarten. We go to calendar.google.com. We created an invitation to a meeting and added a Google Meet code to that invitation, emailed it out to all parents. From there, parents were able to add it into their students' iPad calendar. Meet.google.com. So students were able to add it into their iPad calendar, which could then be used for, they would get notifications on their iPad, click on the notification, and that would take them directly into the Meet as well. Or it pops up like this because they are scheduled. So students can just come to meet.google.com, click on the next Meet, and they don't even have to go through our BrightSpace page at all. Unfortunately, that has meant that we have not found a solution to preventing students from going on ahead of time before there's an educator there to supervise. We did reinforce that to parents, and students have not been online since we've done that. So hopefully they don't need more reminders after this, but so far so good. And I think that's all.